Children are our greatest treasures. They are our future. But it's a harsh reality of today's world that children, who sum up to being almost 50% of our population and our entire future, are considered to be the most vulnerable section of our society. Children all around the world are being exploited physically, sexually, psychologically, and emotionally by people around them. We always tell our kids that they are safe around the people they know, around their parents, teachers, relatives, friends. But one thing that we fail to understand is that these are the actual war zones for the child. Parents and teachers can be spotted displaying physical aggression towards the child in the name of disciplinarian actions. It's common these days to come across news flashes reporting a relative sexually mishandling a child in the name of showing affection towards the child. Children are being bullied by their very own friends and classmates in the safe premises of their schools. These days, many governmental and non governmental organizations are actively participating towards the welfare of the child. They are promoting education among the children. They are making children aware about their rights and their responsibilities, about the good and the bad, about right and wrong, and what and where should they report their problems, the issues to. Many child helpline numbers have also been issued by the government, which are very active and effectively help the child out of any sort of problems that they are going through. Every year on 4th of June, we observe International Day of Innocent Children Victim of Aggression to acknowledge the pain suffered by the children who have been physically, sexually, emotionally, or psychologically abused at any point in time in their life. In times of crisis like the one going on between Israel and Palestine, children, they aren't considered to be a part of the population. They're considered to be the target population. It's very normal these days to come across pictures of mutilated bodies of children thrown here and there just because of the war crisis. Why is it so? Just because the children, they cannot stand up for themselves, they cannot speak up for themselves, they cannot fight back. Is it so easy to victimize them? Can we ever justify our actions towards these children on an humanitarian basis? Is it so convenient for us to provide somebody with a life and then snatching away the right to live from them? In my opinion, it's not just the government or the organizations that need to promote child welfare. It's the parents' responsibility too. Every parent should try to provide their child with a comfort zone where the child can come and confide to them about anything and everything that is happening to and around him or her. Once the child starts speaking up, opening up to their parents about their problems, about everything that is happening to them, the parents can figure out what problems the child is facing and then help the child deal with it more effectively. As parents, it's our responsibility to look after our child. It's our responsibility to provide our child with a happy and safe life. Somebody very rightly said that it is easy to bring up a strong child than to repair a broken man. Children are the brightest shining stars in the dark skies of our life, and we should treat them like one.